Hello, Clarice. No, wait, that's the wrong movie. Let me try again. Right universe, right character. Wrong series. You wanna know how I got these scars? Oh, I'm so bad at this voice. Are you tired of your face? Because today I'm showing you how to turn yourself into the Joker from the Dark Knight trilogies. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, you can always like and subscribe. Join me in the woods. I'm making the scars out of Mehron Extra Flesh fake skin. See, by removing a part in the middle, it looks like there's a crater in there. Don't I have a pretty smile? When I'm done with that, I'm covering it with latex to make sure that everything sticks, so when I put the makeup on it, it's not going to wipe the extra flesh away. Nobody said it was easy. Now, since the Joker's makeup isn't flawless, I'm gonna have to create some wrinkles. By closing your eyes very hard and then adding white with a sponge on top of the black, you get the black lines that the Joker has. You know, for someone who just wants to watch the world burn, he takes a lot of care of his makeup. That face is gonna be red.
Ooh, your face is red, like a strawberry.
Add in some black with the red to create a little bit more depth into your scars. I'm using some foundation to create more realistic wrinkles. Never thought I'd be complaining about not having enough wrinkles, but this was hard. I get why he's doing that. It's just, this itches. It's like the only way you can. Yes. I don't know, it comes naturally. It's not easy being green.
I'm gonna fast forward this because this is gonna take a while.
I'm using regular water-based green paint to color my hair because it gives that grungy, dirty look that the Joker has in his hair.
I hope you like my video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you can always put them in the comment section below, as well as any other tutorials that you would like me to do. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I'm actually looking really mad without even trying. So this is me smiling. That's one creepy smile.